Zimske temperature povzročajo pri avtomobilih in tudi tovornjakih različne težave. Ena izmed teh je seveda nizka temperatura in dizelsko gorivo. No, zdaj prihaja na tržišču novo gorivo, ki bo zmožno nakljubovati tudi temperaturam do -40 stopinj Celzija. The last time we spoke was on the Slovenian Motor Show, where you introduced the new unleaded fuel with some additives. Now you are introducing the new diesel, let's say renewed diesel. Why the diesel causes problems to the engine when it's low temperature?
Standard diesel quality, when it gets colder, you will see that paraffins there's a building of paraffins. The lower the temperature, the more paraffins are built. It's a kind of wax crystal. And these solid parts are then in the fuel system, and time by time they are clogging the filter system of the engine. And if a relevant share of these particulates cover the filter surface, this filter gets blocked and the fuel supply to the engine stops. This is why some customer experience in cold ambient that the engine is not able to start, or even worse, it will start and during the first minutes of operation the engine stops because of filter blocking. This is the behavior in very cold ambience with normal diesel fuel.
How can we overcome the situation?
In general, just avoid this building of paraffin wax crystals during cold ambient temperature. So it sounds easy, but it isn't easy, because it's a chemical behavior of classical diesel fuel. And if you want to change this behavior, you have to change the chemical composition of the diesel fuel. And this is what we did. So we really deparaffined the diesel fuel by specific processes, by specific treatment, reduced the paraffinic content, and therefore we achieved that even with lower temperatures the fuel is clear and bright, that you see no wax crystals. This is the main point, and we reduced this. It's called cloud point, when it's the temperature when the first wax crystals are built, and we dropped this cloud point significantly. And with additional additives we could achieve that the operability of this max motion diesel is dropped down to -40. So this is the way, but it's not that easy as it sounds, it's clear.
So it's not just additives, you change the diesel at its core.
Definitely, yeah. This was the target at the beginning of the development, and it changed the whole recipe of the diesel itself. And in addition, of course, then we added state-of-the-art additives to provide much more features than just cold operability.
Well, the temperature is not the only thing that the new diesel brings.
Temperature is not the only thing. It might be the main thing, special for customers which are experiencing very cold ambient temperatures. But in addition, the engine protection is also an important target for us. What means engine protection? Engine protection means to care for a clean engine, because it's very clear cleaner engine can provide better combustion, better fuel consumption, and at the end better emissions, which is important for the environmental as well.
How can a fuel help with the emission and the cleanliness of the engine itself?
It's also one of the most important topics, of course, to keep fuel consumption low, to keep the emission low. And to explain this, I have to explain what is happening in normal situation. And in normal situation, we all know our engines, independent if this is gasoline or diesel engine, we are operating these engines a long time without a planned cleaning service inside the engine. And it's very obviously, after a long time of operation, only small combustion residues are forming deposits on some parts. And very sensitive part is the injector, the fuel injector, and the nozzle holes. And if you see some deposits there, the injection quality will not be the same. So we will see a worsening of the injection behavior, which is meaning worsening the combustion quality. And I think the rest of it is very clear. Worse combustion meaning higher emissions, and less fuel consumption. So the efficiency of a vehicle is mainly given by the combustion process, and the influence of the injection quality is dramatic. And with our additives, we are keeping engine clean, or even we are reducing deposits on these engine parts, and this is helping us keeping emissions low and fuel consumption low. So it's also very, very simple, but not so simple to bring the performance of the fuel to that level.
Naši kupci nasploh cenijo kakovost. To vidimo po vseh raziskavah, ki jih delamo. In naši kupci so predvsem tisti, ki vozijo dlje, delajo več kilometrov. Imamo ogromno povpraševanja strani slovenskih državljanov, ki potujejo po Evropi in poznajo v bistvu ponudbo premium goriv. Mnogokrat so nas posebej v zimskem času spraševali potem, kdaj tudi v Sloveniji lahko začnejo točiti vrhunska goriva. Tako da mi menimo, da teh kupcev kar nekaj je in se že veselimo njihovih povratnih informacij.
Se pravi, če želiš imeti avto dlje časa, potem izbereš boljše gorivo.
Ja, seveda, zaradi tega, ker pač to gorivo hkrati tudi čisti motor, izgorevanje je čistejše in pa iz tega je tudi učinkovitost rabe goriva boljša, koncu tudi manj emisij povzroča takšno izgorevanje.
Najlepša hvala.
Hvala.